Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm doing my son's hair. He's got a date tomorrow with his godmother, so I want to get him ready. So I'm starting by undoing his hair, and I would redo it for his date tomorrow. It's not easy to do a toddler's hair, I'm telling you. Yeah, but I have to do it. Yes, I enjoy combing my kids' hair because it's something I like to do, to comb hair, but I wouldn't do it professionally because it takes time when you have to do someone hair and all that. But yes, it takes time when I'm doing, especially a toddler's hair. As you can see, it's moving up and down, so you have to be patient. Yeah, yes, when you are combing the hair, patience and time. Yeah, see, and it be moving up and down. Sometimes I have to take break, give him a bottle, and that. The best bit is when he's asleep. When he's asleep, I can get to do it better. When he was younger, that's how I do his hair. Yes, when he's asleep, that's when I get to do it. I'm faster. Yeah. Don't take out any. No. No, put it back. Good boy. Cover it now. Put the cover on. Yes, I have to give him the phone to keep him busy, calm, quiet, because I'm working with time as well. And I just reached, I've got a few more plaits to go. I have to put him to sit lower because this is the top, and it's better for me to work like that because when he's too high, I have to give make myself comfortable. Up like that, my hand it hurts. Yeah, so me putting him to sit down make me a bit more relaxed. I just finished undoing his hair, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna replait it now. Yes, I'm gonna replait it now. All right, but come, you have to sit down so that I can replait it. Remember, we are working with time. almost finished, guys. It's not easy. He's having his bottle now. Yeah, he wants food, so almost finished. We take a break, guys. He's having his bottle almost finished. It's just a few plots to go. And tell me, how do you think it's going so far? Yeah, we'll finish it in a few more minutes. Just waiting for him to finish his bottle and then I continue. So let me know what you think. Just drop it in the comment box and we'll take it from there. That's it, guys. I'm finished. That's it. He wants to sleep now. Come on, soon finish. Soon finish. Yeah, soon finish. You can sleep, okay? See, my handiwork. That's it. You like it? Yes?